Hello everybody, I'm Maya from Crashtest Security. Today I'll explain to all of you who are already using the Crashtest Security suite how you can schedule your vulnerability scans to automate the process. After your login, you'll land on your dashboard. Click on one of your targets, then on Preferences. After that, a new navigation bar pops up where you'll press the button Schedules. Click on the yellow button and enter how often you want your scans to run on this scan target. You can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly scans, and if you're going to do it on a specific day of the week or month. You can also set a particular time. In this example, we're setting weekly automated scans every Saturday before midnight. As soon as you're finished, you can go back to your scan targets, click on the one you've just scheduled the automatic scans for, and check if the scans have been appropriately set. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Oh, and hey, don't forget to subscribe to the Crashtest Security channel to get more information about the most significant web security threats, their prevention, and how to use the Crashtest Security suite.